Introducing NanoSteamer, the original full-size 3-in-1 Nano Ionic facial steamer that revolutionized at-home skincare. Size facial steamer that generates true nano ionic steam, which is 10 times more effective in penetrating and hydrating your skin than regular steam. NanoSteamer produces 30 minutes of nano ionic steam. It takes at least 20 minutes to completely hydrate skin cells and open pores for extractions. Use the included 5-piece skin kit to remove skin impurities immediately following facial steaming sessions. Now take advantage of the newly created ionic channeling pathways to deliver your preferred beauty creams and serums into the deeper layers of the skin so you can be sure you are getting their maximum effect. NanoSteamer's longer running time means it can be used as a humidifier. Set it to humidifier mode to moisten and purify the surrounding air while moving particulates and making it easier to breathe. Introducing our latest wireless photon skin rejuvenation product. Cleanse and dry your face. Press the power button and start your treatment. Sit back and relax for 15 minutes. Apply your favorite skincare serum or the Project E Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Serum for best results. With intensity levels and 7 colors. It is engineered to provide the optimal wavelengths for a variety of rejuvenating skin treatments. We crafted this mask to fit comfortably on all face shapes. We listened to our customers' feedback, and so we made this product 50% lighter than the previous version. Wireless, ergonomically designed, easy to use, innovative. Project E Beauty, your skincare expert.
Cleanse with an oil-free cleanser, removing any makeup, impurities, and oil. And then go ahead and apply your gel primer. So you want a good mask-like layer. Apply it directly to the area that you're going to be lifting, and I always start with my neck. Turn your device on. I always like to lift on high, but you can adjust your intensity. You want to start at the collar of the neck. Slowly glide towards the back of the neck. Take a step up. And then right underneath that jawline, really contouring that jawline, lifting towards the back of the neck. Now apply more gel to the cheek area. Starting on the nasolabial fold, slowly glide to the lobe of the ear. Now let's go ahead and lift the other side. Always lift just half the face first so you can really see the results. Always glide slowly and always glide in an upward motion. So in 5 minutes you just lifted your face. Tap in the remaining gel primer to enjoy those skincare benefits. And remember the new Face Fix to instantly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It's the perfect finishing step to any new face facial.